Good morning! Oh my god. Good morning, you guys. My hair is so messy. I just woke up and today is Monday, the 4th of March, which is my birthday. But I didn't have plan to do anything today. But yeah, I don't know what to do exactly today, but like 3 days ago I planned to do some, cooking. I'll bake my own cake, and then I decided, oh, I'm just gonna celebrate it by myself. But yeah, we'll see how we go today. I don't know how's my day gonna be today, but yeah, it's been a while that I haven't vlogged. And guys, yeah, my room is messy, super messy, and I'm 27 and I don't have kids, I don't have a house, I don't have a property, but it's okay as long as I'm healthy.
Birthday mo.
Wait, take two. Hi, welcome to my vlog.
Dili ko diha kay record mo kung wala kong kanta.
Sa mukha ni mo, oy.
Yan lang ko daan ang filter.
Shit, look at that. Say hi to to my vlog.
May gani kay nakaanda mo filter bay.
Agad
Yan ang
ko.
iway ko ron.
I'm still in bed, Mama Mia. I don't even know what to do on my birthday.
Tujo kay ron.
Wala, day off ko. Karon og ugma unya. Kuan, sa tawag ani. May pa sila mama, magluto pa sila dito pagkaon.
Sana pwede mamarti dito. Dito na lang ko sa ila mamarti. Huwag mo kay pagkaon dito.
Na, biskwit. Kato kong gibake last week. Ako mo akong pamahaw. Nga,
Tulog mo, gani ko.
ay, sana, real.
Halangan mo kay sumumong kayo ay balik-balik ramon sa tangin niya. Itlog, hotdog, kanang gigisa.
Nilipod, gisumhala po ko sa oatmeal.
Sumukaya ba? Wala na akong kabalo. Taga-adlaw na lang guys. Struggle lang ito.
Kamusta? What are you doing? You're 27 and you're still procrastinating. Fucking unbelievable. Ciao! Oh my god. So I'm going down. Oh, I'm going down. I'm gonna get my package, and then I'm waiting for my laundry because I'm washing my bedsheet. I bought issues because my shoes is all wear off. I got my key. I got my mailbox key. Okay, I got everything I need. Because my runners has been 2 years and it was really overused, so I need to get a new one. I'm just waiting for the leaf. Now we have 4 leaves. Morning. Any package for Desiree? 21. Is it heavy? Do you need help?
No, it's not heavy.
Sure? Okay.
Fine.
It's just the shoes.
Shoes?
Yep. Thank you.
Boots like.
No, not boots, shoes.
Can you sign?
Yep, no problem.
Yeah. What about door?
Oh,
I can hold it. Thank you.
I can just put my initial.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Have a good one. See ya.
You too. Thank you. Need to get these shoes. This is my old shoes, which is really wear off. Look at that. Fucking hell. Fucking unbelievable. But I can still use them. It's already really bad. It's even curvy. I don't know why. What happened? Bought two shoes, which is this one. I never bought inline shoes before, and since I'm old and getting older, so I'm, you know, treating myself because no one's gonna spoil me but me. So I bought working shoes. Oh, I hope it's comfy because I work for hours, like 10 hours or 9 hours, 11 hours. Really depends on the day. It looks funny though. I don't know. I think this is good for exercise though. I just bought one for work and one for going out. And this one I can also use this for exercising or jogging. And this is the other one. I hope it's better because I'm so disappointed with this one. It looks good when it's side view, but when it looks, I don't know. It's not bad, but if I'm in the shop and if I see this, I'm not gonna get it. Oh, this is better than I expected, which is good because this one I'm so disappointed with that one. This one should be good, okay? And I'm so sorry for my hair because I haven't taken a bath yet. I hope it fits. I'm so disappointed with this. Which is better? It's a bit greenish, but I don't know. It's a bit green, but gray, and yeah. Because I don't want to wear a super green shoes. It's gonna draw attention to other people. Oh god, my fingers still. I need to change the band-aid. I hope it fits because I don't know. I'm really gonna be disappointed if it wouldn't fit though. Oh, I like this one better. Oh, very comfy though. The other one is comfortable, but it looks funny. I don't know why. Or maybe I'm funny. I don't know how to choose shoes. I just buy shoes because I need them. And I used to, when I was a kid before, I really like shoes. But when I get older, I just need to buy what I need. And I don't have shoes for going out. So this is gonna be that shoes. Wow, I like this. simple, not fancy. It's good. I don't want flashy anymore. Just plain. Ta-da! It's cute. Come on, let's go out. Oh, that's nice. Walk under the sun, run in the rain, touch the wood, and smile to strangers. That's a good one.
Kaya mga kapatid ko, nag-prepare ko sa birthday na hindi. Nagmaha ko. Isang wala siya diri, pero gusto na ko, ma-happy siya. Kaya, pili na mo kung maniin nyo, kung mani ang topping o cheese. Sulan mo mukha. Na pa yung alho-alho.
Tugalan ko sa pangalan yung mga ate. Taga-Caraga Region o 34 anyos ang panidaman. Uso ka negosyante.
Naro?
Sa akong pagkabata, hangtod na nag-eskwela.
Uy, wapan na po.
Kung hangtod na nakatapos ko sa akong pagtuon, negosyo ang akong ikahiligan. Busa sa'yo kong nakapundar o kaugaling mga gamit. Balay, sakyanan.
Manok-manok rami niya,
Upon
guys.
successful man ko sa negosyo, naghihapay kulang sa akong kinabuhi, ate.
Say utok
But
out lagi.
nobody's perfect. Dili tanan atong
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ivy. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Ay, ayaw mo dito.
Ano ba to?
Ilagay na? Ha? Ilagay mo na.
Ang first natin dyan. Masyado mainit.
Masyado mainit. Mag-open.
Wala. Uno, no, not no.
Ako rin kita.
Wala man ni kay video ni wala man siya di ako ginawa dito. To you. Happy 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 birthday. Happy 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 birthday. Happy 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 birthday. Happy birthday to Ivy. Happy birthday. Yeah, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay. Ako na mag-blow? Ikaw ang mag-wish. Ito di yung saan na may pag-wish. Nung wala man rin kay video man ni.
Ibutan na sa stand.
Sugatan mo.
Just smart, mga silingan.
Ha?
Video ko pati.
Amerika giligo. Dili labasan. Palit.
Ay, problema. Video ko pati.
I'm so excited for the new chapter ahead, and thank you so much for the birthday greetings and well wishes, and see you in the next one. Bye.